Dear Anantyaholics, we know you're facing a lot of stress and anxiety because of all the things that are happening around you. We'd like to bring you something to relieve your stress, a health drink, with ingredients that you'll commonly find in your kitchen garden or in your house. Cucumbers, carrot, pineapple, cinnamon, and this is the herb that's going to be responsible for your reduction in anxiety and stress. It's called Pennywort in English, or Kudangal. Let me go ahead and tell you how to make this drink, and maybe we'll see you drinking it at home, relieving your stress and anxiety. We're going to start with a pinch or two of cinnamon. We like to start with the cinnamon first because then when you add the other juices on top, it will mix in and automatically give you the flavor that you want. Next, let's add chopped pineapple. The pineapple gives a little sweetness to the juice. It will counter any bitterness that you will find with the Kudangal. Next, let's go ahead and add our Kudangal. I've taken a handful of this. Going to add 1 carrot, and our juice is very good, so we don't have to chop it. We're just going to send it in whole. And we're going to add 1 cucumber to this to complete your drink. So here is your tasty, healthy, and very colorful looking drink. We hope you'll try it at home and tell us all about it.